Welcome to our channel where mastering online selling starts with seamless access to your tools. Welcome to our channel where mastering online selling starts with seamless access to your tools. In this guide, you will learn exactly how to log into your eBay Seller Hub with a straightforward, step-by-step process designed for sellers of all levels. First, open your preferred web browser and type www.ebay.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top left corner where you will find the Sign In button. Click it. Now enter your registered eBay username or email address in the designated field, followed by your password in the next field. After confirming your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. To navigate to the Seller Hub, locate the My eBay drop-down menu near the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, select Selling, which will redirect you to the Seller Hub dashboard. This hub is your command center for managing listings, tracking sales, and monitoring your seller performance. Remember, if you encounter any issues logging in, you can use the Forgot Password link to reset your password easily and regain access. Following these simple steps will ensure you have quick and secure entry to all your seller tools, helping you stay on top of your eBay business. Make sure your browser is up to date and consider enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced security. With this knowledge, you can now confidently manage your eBay sales from a central location, save time, and focus on growing your business. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, and logging in will soon become second nature. Stick with these easy instructions whenever you need to access your Seller Hub and watch your online selling journey thrive.